Welcome. Take a moment to find a quiet, comfortable place where you can fully relax. Sit or lie down in a position that feels right for you. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let's begin by focusing on your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to rise. And then exhale gently through your mouth. Feel your shoulders relax as you breathe out. Take another deep breath in and let it go. With each breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Let's do this a few more times together. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light beginning to shine there. This light carries a sense of peace and calm. Feel it gently moving down, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Let this calming light continue to flow down, softening your neck and shoulders. Notice how tension melts away as the light moves down your arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Feel your chest and back relax as the light spreads through your torso. It flows down to your hips, your legs, and finally to your feet, grounding you in the present moment. Picture yourself in a place that brings you peace. It might be a quiet beach, a lush green meadow, or a tranquil mountaintop. Imagine every detail of this place: the colors, the sounds, the scents, and the sensations. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, or the gentle breeze around you. This is your sanctuary, a place where you are safe and completely at ease. As you rest in this peaceful space, take a moment to repeat silently or aloud the following affirmations. I am calm, I am safe, I am at peace. Feel these words resonate within you, filling you with serenity and confidence. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Know that you can return to this feeling of peace whenever you need to. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how your body feels and carry this sense of calm with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Be well.